Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This here's a 2015 BMW 328i, the black colored vehicle with beige interior. It currently has 28,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: it's an xDrive all-wheel drive model. It does have the luxury line package, 18-inch rims, power moonroof, split folding rear seats, Xenon lighting up front, fog lamps, comfort access, front and rear heated seats, power folding mirrors, and all the details can be seen anytime at eimports.com. We can take questions at the store, 215-249-9100. We get a quick look at the interior, and a beige seating, wood trim throughout, a large display for the navigation system, backup camera. You also notice it is dual zone climate controlled with heated seats. Again, questions 215-249-9100, and all the details eimports.com. Thanks again.